Let's add the 3 LEDs to the breadboard. I'm going to be keeping the longer leg of each LED towards the top of the breadboard, and the shorter leg towards the bottom. Then let's connect a resistor from the shorter leg of each LED to the blue line on the breadboard. Then a wire from the blue line on the breadboard to one of the ground ports on the Arduino. Then I'll connect a wire from the longer leg of the green LED to port 8, from the longer leg of the yellow LED to port 9, and from the longer leg of the red LED to port 10. At the top, let's create 3 variables for the 3 LEDs. Int green LED will be set to 8, int yellow LED will be set to 9, and int red LED will be set to 10. Inside of the loop function, we'll use the digital write function to set the red LED to low, and then again to set the green LED to high. Then we'll delay for 1 second, and then we'll set the green LED to low and the yellow LED to high. Then we'll delay for half a second this time, and then we'll set the yellow LED to low, the red LED to high. Then we'll delay for 1 more second before restarting the loop function. And now the Arduino is cycling through the LEDs in the stoplight. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you can continue to master Arduino programming.